We got iPhone X. Its backlash broken. Let's fix it out. We remove the screen, apply some heat for this. Open it up. Unscrew. Disconnect the display strips. Now take a side of this screen. Remove this whole screw from this board. Take off the battery. And finally remove this logic board. This is the iPhone X logic board, its motherboard. It's a 2-layer of board. See how small it is. This is the total iPhone X motherboard. And this is the phone. Finally, now it's ready to break this backlash with this pen. Let's start this. Break this backlash. The final back door is ready to fix this. Before fixing the back door, fix a gum on it. And you can see the design of this like Mehndi. Now the iPhone X back door is ready to use. Thank you for watching.